Two main reasons why you should join the upcoming workshop, Perinatal Coaching Essentials. One, you feel that you're getting there too late. You're getting into L&D, you're getting to their home when they're already in their postpartum period, and it's too late to create the change of perspective, the change of attitude, help them develop a sense of agency. You're just too late in the game, and you feel that you need to do something before. You need to shift the focus to prenatal coaching conversations to help them arrive at the time where they need to already perform and conduct themselves beautifully, and it's just too late in the game. So this is the first reason that I'm going to give you. The second reason is they know. You know that they know. You know you went over things with them. You provided all the evidence-based information possible on earth. They knew everything, yet you feel that time after time, they fail to engage in a good decision-making process. They are submissive because of so much fear. And you want to change that so that you will be able to increase your success rates, increase their success rates in having beautiful perinatal journeys, and everyone feels a lot more satisfied of those experiences. This is the second reason. So if it's you and I'm speaking to you, follow the link to hop into the Perinatal Coaching Essentials workshop. See you there.